Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. And in today's video, I want to explain to you how you can basically make a cash deposit. Okay, how you can deposit cash in Monzo. So you can actually deposit cash into your Monzo accounts at any UK, PayPoint or post office. I'm going to show you how to do this in both. So if you're using a PayPoint, what you're going to do is you're going to go to a shop with the PayPoint logo. Okay, and then you want to tell them that you actually like to, pay cash into your Monzo account and how much you actually want to pay. Just give them your card and the cash as well. And what they will do is they will swipe your card and give it back to you with a receipt. And usually a deposit takes around 10 minutes to show into your account. And if you do this at a post office, what you're going to do is you're going to go to any post office and you're going to tell them that you'd like to pay cash into your Monzo account and of course how much again, and you want to give them the cash. And what's going to happen, guys, is they'll ask you to insert your card into the card reader, and you want to follow the instructions on the screen. You won't actually need to enter your pin. And if you do this at a post office, your deposit should appear in your account immediately. And for each deposit, guys, they charge you €1. So I hope this video helps you out, guys. And if it does, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.